Well, hello there. Say, I was just recently in the Mediterranean region and spent a little time on the island of Patmos, which is located in the Aegean Sea. It's part of the Greek islands, and had a fantastic meal on an outdoor patio. It was a simple pasta meal, fresh ingredients. It just tasted fantastic. What I want to present to you today is just how you can make a similar scratch tomato sauce that you can use with just about any type of cooked pasta. Now, just a little criticism of North American style tomato sauce, and that is most of the tomatoes are made from field tomatoes. They usually add things like sugar to the tomato sauce, and so what you get is a bland, sweet tasting tomato sauce compared to if you have had tomato sauce in the Mediterranean, in Italy, in Greece. It just tastes 10 times better. Now, what I'm going to present to you is how you can make from scratch a similar tasting Mediterranean inspired tomato sauce. I'm using certified San Marzano tomatoes, and these are probably the gold standard for making a authentic tasting, really good tasting tomato sauce. And let's go into the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to put this all together. Again, in North America, when you get you'll order a tomato sauce, a marinara type sauce, you'll get a plate of cooked noodles with the tomato sauce just poured in the middle, and that's really not how you do it. And I'm going to show you how to do that as far as presentation, and as far as how to make a scratch, really great tasting tomato sauce using certified San Marzano tomatoes. Now, these are the Cento brand. It's from Italy. You can get this in just about any large grocery store here in North America as well. All right, let's go into the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to put this all together.